So we are going to proceed to, I hope you can adapt my tutorial. So sorry if you don't understand, but I think it's for you. This is for you to learn. If you want to learn, just be patient. This is C major chord. So if I give you a formula, what is the formula of C major chord? Flat C major flat chord or bar chord. Let's proceed to C minor. Skip the C major. C minor. This is the one meaning root 1, and then the fifth, and then the next, the root also, and then the third or minor third or B3. In other words, B3 meaning minor sound. B minor, the formula 1 fifth, 1 B3, and then fifth. You see? It's not just a simple C major chord. If you are going to know the formula of this, or to know to learn a music theory or guitar theory, those are the pattern of the C major chord. The formula 1 fifth, 1 beat 3 or third, and then fifth. So I hope you understand what is my point. One B3, 1B3 5 for short. 1B3, 1B3 5. The formula of C minor. You got it?